ready for the last day of school? I sure am. Okay, hurry up. Okay, sorry. I'll get that. Ooh, banana. Pineapple. And that. There we go. Delicious. And I'll grab some milk. Down here. I'll take this, and some water. Perfect. Okay, so how's your last day's school been going? Well, it's been going pretty fine. But except this guy named Joshua was bullying me. Well, that's bad. Well, maybe we could do the chili challenge. Let me get us 2 hamburgers. 1 cheese and 1 cheese. Here you go. Now put some chili on yours. There you go. That's mine. And we'll get some 2 glasses of water. See, water doesn't actually help, but milk does. So we'll get 2 glasses of milk. Perfect. Now let's drink. Seriously, Anderson is really... Ew. Was it hot? Oh, sorry. Anderson is really bullying. Oh, it's crazy. He used to be my friend. Oops, I got some more milk. I know, right? He used to be my friend, too. Well, let's go ask Ella if we could do some chores. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. I'll do some sweeping. Sweep. Ah, so it's